So we represent Philippine Society for Talent Development. Okay. Kami po yung magpapa-quiz ngayon. Ayun. Alright. Unang tanong. Ano po ito? Pin. Good answer, good answer. Ano yung nilalaman niya o nire-represent? Okay, another question. Okay, what does the number 17 signifies? Iyan ba yung age na kung kailan kayo? A lot of the problems that we are experiencing about this crash and all about these environmental problems are rooted in the lack of education or awareness. So even sa government, right, we are also helping the government and partner with CSI to put together a program on educating our government employees. Sa PSTD naman, kasama ko rin yung ating partner dyan, si Gemma, no? So what we're trying to advocate is the concept of sustainable talent development, right? So that when we talk about 17, is figure or pin, right? Or when we talk about, let's say, ano po ba yung natin? Ambisyon natin. Ever heard of that? Ito yung programa ng government natin for a better Philippines. Regardless of our presidents, kanya, tatawid yan hanggang 20, any clue? 2030? 2050. Alright, so it is ambition natin 2030. Tama? Hindi po. 2040. Right? That's why sa PSTD, our role is to continually educate not only our members, but all workers, all the workforce, no? Everyone who needs to know more about what sustainability is, ano ba yung ating ipinaglalaban dito. This is 17 Sustainable Development Goals, no? Kaya kami natutuwa to have partner with Ms. Gem. Kasama din po namin siya, one of our speakers in several occasions, no? And nakakatuwa yung gagawin natin, no? Plug the planet. So, before we are burning calories, no? Ngayon naman, ang iba-burn natin, guilt. Habang ikaw ay tumatakbo, hindi na ako gagamit ng plastic. Parang gano'n, no? So, that's really good to know, no? At saka magandang exercise. Diba? Pag ordinary jogging or running, ang motion mo pa lang, di ba? Running. Eto may bending. Oh, di ba? May mga challenges din yung pag nandyan, ang hirap gawin, may splitting.
It's like part of their
So, it's more than just jogging. It's really jogging for the environment. So, PSTD, on behalf of our Board of Trustees and our members, is a proud partner of Plug the Planet. No? So, yan po yung aming pangako, not only to support the event, but to continually support the education of the Filipinos on what sustainability is all about, kung saan nabibilang itong ginagawa natin, so that, again, when we talk about those basic questions about what is 17, no? Ano yung sustainability, or ano yung ambition natin 2040, we are all aware. So with awareness comes commitment, and from the commitment comes advocacy. At pag i-advocate natin yan, imagine mo, pwede mong ituro sa mga anak, mga kapatid in your communities. So the impact of what we can do with proper education is highly exponential. In fact, we have a number there, and very minimum. This is underestimated number, 1,000. Can we influence 1,000 advocates for our planet in our lifetime? Easily. Easily. With social media, even in one post, you can influence more than 1,000. I'm talking about lifetime. And you multiply that, those 1,000 will influence another set of 1,000. And you can see the effect, right? So more than the jogging, we will do that, but really this is about educating the Filipinos about the importance. We are only using the Plug the Planet, right, to really educate and to build that strong commitment. So that's our promise and that's our partnership with Ms. Jem and all the organizers. Right? Maraming salamat po.